What you talking about? Is Jaden Blaze?
Vybz Kartel's first interview. The video I call for the press tour. As some people have said, some of the most memorable interviews of entertainers they have ever seen is that of Vybz Kartel. Now, of course, drop some like on the video, share the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. Of course, I'm not going to hear what they go on when Vybz Kartel speak to Lisa Evers, as people say them I look forward to the on stage and the ER interview next. Look for what go on.
How are you feeling?
The feeling of just being free is an amazing feeling. Lisa, it's so surreal. I have to pinch myself just to see that I'm awake. And dedication, we believed in ourselves, and we had help inside and outside, especially you, Lisa. You pushed the case to the world. Like, babe, I'm on my way to get you. And then when the verdict was read, she's like, baby, you're free. Cut of songs. So a lot of writing about the situation, not about the situation, like a plethora of lyrics. Before I go, I just want to say to the fans, thank you for the love. Thank you for being there by my side, my extended family. Thank you for having faith in me.
Now, if we are just being honest, some of the most entertaining, riveting, some of the most interesting interviews we have ever seen for musicians, whether upon ER or upon on stage, Vybz Kartel left name definitely hype on the list. Of course, we're going to talk about interviews, and we're going to say legendary interviews. We have to talk about Bob Marley interview them and certain other legendary artists. But Vybz Kartel interview them up there with all of them other. It's like when Bob say, we call a lot of money. What is well to you? Them things are some iconic statements made by Bob in our interview. I see him, so you have a long list of iconic statements made by Vybz Kartel during these interviews. Remember when Vybz Kartel them say, oh, Vybz Kartel are real now. Any other king is actually a Burger King. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Some of the most iconic interviews we may ever see. The music. The one from Vybz Kartel. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me if you agree with, you know what I mean? What I just say. Let me couldn't hear from my brother. Wait. Him have him own opinions on what him say. Him see with Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel's new fiance and Vybz Kartel's baby mother Shorty. Some people are saying for mind them own business. Some people are saying a rich people business. Leave it alone. Shorty and Vybz Kartel have history. In days Shorty and Vybz Kartel do Shorty and Vybz Kartel. You leave it alone. You is not Shorty and you is not Vybz Kartel. Me couldn't hear him have to say, and they will continue reasonation. Look, and of course more you listen.
Vybz Kartel wife the normal, you know. If you think about it on a logical level, a white girl the normal. She meet Vybz Kartel when him in a prison. She hear say the man depan murder charge. The man get 34 years. And she left from which part she the overseas. Give up her job. Come to Jamaica. Fly go to prison. For meet him. Say this her love her life. Take up official residence in a Jamaica. Gather up liar team. A faith as small as a mustard seed. Say this man is innocent. Bumbo clock, my girl, where you get a pussy clot faith there. You know much people left them for less than that? You know much people wouldn't even look on a prisoner? And nobody say, yo, Vybz Kartel different because him is an artist. The man don't do 10 years and still going on to 11, going on to 13. When them say him get 34 years and she left, you can imagine our family them and everybody over there say, yo, my girl, you mad? Are you fucking mad? Or you feel if you good work, if you go pick up bumbo-clad prisoner. But the level of faith with a girl they have to bumbo-clad. She sleep and drink it and believe. She drink the blood-clad Kool-Aid so fucking deep that she fucking believe. And hold on the faith to pussy-clad. While the next one, it come like it was our best fucking time when they did their jail. Cause she get control over almost majority of the things them we have. Cause we hear she talk. Yo, me have to title them for the house and everything, you see me? Cause that's all she's worrying about. The material blood clot things them. That's all she can tell us about. Is the material things them. Oh, off my Jeep on it full of gas and this and that. All she have is material things where she get half of you. That is why in a way, you can see say the girl shorty upset, say you're free and you're there road. Because she don't know if these material things where she loves so much, you go take it back. But a white girl here come with this deep bumbo-clad faith. And I say, yo, the world boss innocent. This man is wrongfully convicted. This man need for the back a road. Hear about Sean Storm, the whole of them. She must all hear the amount of serpy video them attack, the amount of hill about you, oh you're the cruelest man. She must hear everything. She go through Jamaica, go to see, she must hear the third world country look. And she said, no, blood clot a teacher, my bumbo clot say. My girl, how the fuck you get faith like that? What kind of bumbo clot faith that? And you see where bumbo clot faith do by bumbo clot 6 months in a blood clot 2024. Your faith blood clot pay off. And you see Shorty, she's so uncomfortable. Every night she do a party. I throw down the liquor, try cool off it off her conscience. You see me? She attack the most things, and you know what funny about it? Nobody remember her for the last umpteen years like that. And as teacher come a road, everywhere one post her. For sure you say she's nothing without you. Bumbo clock dog, you have to big up a bumbo clock white girl the dog. Some would say she fool dog. Logically dog, is like the girl make a big bet on your charge. She does know say yo. A road teacher for bumbo clock the dog. Like that is so fucking incredible dog. Like that is I wish me can be so bumbo clad faithful in anything when I put my mind to dog. That is like so fucking incredible, daddy. We have to bumbo clad get around that place for that dog. That is some incredible fucking faith she have right there. So it don't normal actually. Yo, teacher, big up yourself, big up your wife, big up your kids, big up your family. More life and more health to school.
Someone who bitter like a Cersei. Someone who can be relationship expert, relationship analyst, relationship doctor, relationship lawyer for other people relationship, and for who ever they spoil. You see me, look funny now. Me see a man do a video the other day in a week, yeah, and the man I say, yo, him rate Vybz Kartel, wife and Shorty, this and this up Shorty. Listen, always remember, Shorty is Kartel baby mother. And a man, they always respect them baby mother. Because they bring a child or children in the world for him. And that's the greatest joy for a man. Especially a real man. You see me? At the end of the day, Kartel have him reason why him choose the person he choose. Right? This is none of us our business. Fear discriminate and I make assumption and all of these things. And then in the process, when I got degrade one of the female them. Whether I not look good. You understand? It's when you see people relationship like what all people always say. It's even have good for say keep by your mouth. Somehow you have so much opinion on people business, but for no ever they spoil. Just wish them luck and wish them blessing, bro. And say them you hope the relationship lasts and just leave it alone. You get me? I say because if right now if you put fling Shorty under the bus and say Shorty that you don't know next year, next 2 years, probably Kartel and Shorty back together. Never go in between man and woman, baby mother and baby father. You don't know that. Some man are going like a Jamaica and grow. You don't need to leave people business alone, man. In a real life. Just wish.
No, growing up, me always hear saying, more left is the people business and leave it alone. If I see two people, you know, will there be an argument, disagreement, have opposite opinions for a situation, and you side with one person, and after that, then get over that. The two of them good, and now the two of them don't like you. That's why people say, see people business and leave it alone. As I continue to say, I feel like at the media, I push Shorty to say certain things. I don't feel like it have nothing to do with no material things and not when nobody else say. Nah, nothing to do with this. It's a relationship thing. It's a man and woman something. It's a relationship issues. And as you know, a million and one woman one day with Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel choose a new fiance. For whatever reason, I feel him choice that. And one choice where him, she, and the old lady need to discuss. No, it's not one personal choice to him. Him decides to say, oh, she ain't fiance, she ain't fiance. No need to explain that. Nobody need to ask why. No, of course, you know, because, you know, he's a superstar in the music industry. You gotta have people where team shorty. You gotta have people where a team new fiance. Yeah, people are gonna have them own. You know, some people are say, right, a shorty, and through a shorty, them always say. You have some people that say, yo, as well the man there say, them say, him new fiance believe. So Vybz Kartel get free. And see him free to know. Not saying shorty nobody believe. Of course, shorty did there say free Vybz Kartel too. Me know she happy saying free too. Are you them father? All our youth them have the same father. Eh? All our pitney them have the same daddy. She must happy say our pitney them daddy free. And people are trying to change the narrative, make it look like it is something that it is not. I don't know the media go. The media will either misinterpret, twist the words, or in your comment section I talk so much things that you lash out and then it is misinterpreted as, you know what I mean? You lash out against. Whoever them want to say you lash out against. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as I pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.